Hey, this is John for Living Connection First and Cultural Emergence and supporting my friend Looby in her journey to get these lovely cultural emergence cards out to the world. And so the two of us got together this morning and we had an encouraging conversation. And we went on a journey into what it means to have an encouraging conversation and the gift that can be both to me and to Luby or to anyone who you have an encouraging conversation with. It's a form of communicable healing for our world. So we'd love for you to have a listen.
Yeah, thanks, John. I really enjoyed the conversation, and I will post the link there so you can go and hear the full conversation and see which of the cards that John picked and how that inspired him. And yeah, we covered a lot of ground, didn't we? Synchronicity, tracking gifts, timelessness, the 10 stones of connection, um, maybe some more as well. So it's yeah, juicy conversation to go and listen to.
Yeah, and hopefully it gives you a little lift in your life. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, John, for joining us, and thanks everyone for going and listening.